Hello my dear friends, today we will learn how to add pickup and delivery in the food menu plugin. So let's get started. For this, go to the checkout settings and then navigate to pickup and delivery options where you can configure pickup and delivery options, time slots and scheduling. So provide your minimum lead time for the delivery, which means how many days in advance customers must place their order. And then pre-order window options. Here you can set the maximum numbers of days customers can schedule orders in advance. Then choose the options pickup and enable it. After enabling, you can set the limit the number of orders per time slot to prevent kitchen overload. Set your maximum orders per pickup slot and per delivery slot. Then status the count towards limit. In the next, for the pickup settings, you can enable the pickup time for the time slot selection at checkout. You can further add any pickup message to customers for pickup orders. Set your pickup time interval and weekly schedule. It will help you for your pickup availability for each day. You can also set your weekends for the pickup weekly schedule. While done, then click on Save Changes. After that, go to the customer checkout and then from here, enable Show Pickup and Delivery options for the Request Pickup and Delivery. Then click on Save Changes. Now let's go to the checkout page to see our recent customization for the pickup and delivery. Since we initially set the pre-order availability to only 2 days, let's now change it to 10 days and see the difference. You can also set the pre-order period for as many days as you want, depending on your business needs. For example, we have added 25 days for the pre-order and here it is displaying. Now pickup time. You can choose pickup time according to your preference. And for the details, customer needs to fill up all information about this. While done, then click on Order Now and instantly you'll get an order invoice for the details. Now let's click on here, open the new tab to see the order. And here this is the print out option. If you click out here, you can print out your order invoice where you can see your type and the pickup date. So far, we have explored and learned about the pickup process. Now it's time to move on and learn how the delivery process works. For this, let's back to the settings again and choose the delivery options now. Enable this first and then enable delivery time. In addition, you can set a message for your delivery if you want to show this to customers for delivery orders. Then set the time interval of your delivery and the weekly schedule. You can set your day, time slots and the weekends as named as holiday according to your business preference. While done, then click on Save Changes and go to the checkout page. Reload the page and here you can see two options for the delivery and pickup. If you click on delivery, you can set your delivery day and time and same for the pickup also. Let's go ahead and see how it works in action. Set pickup date, time and fill up the details about your information. Then click on Order Now and get your order details. Let's go to the My Account page. Reload the page first and let's click on Print according to your added customer where you can get 4 options for your printing slip. Let's see the order confirmation first and here it is. This is how you can add your pickup and delivery in the food menu plugin. Thanks for watching.